Welcome guys, Tech Boost YouTube channel. Create a brand channel. So let's see how can I make it. Please follow my step. First open your favorite any browser, then go youtube.com. Right side you see your name letter, means this is your default YouTube channel. How to check? Click your logo name icon, then click view your channel. This is my channel name. I have no subscriber. Then go logo. Now you can see this option, YouTube Studio. Click YouTube Studio. This is YouTube channel dashboard. You can see left side the setting button. Click the settings, then click permissions. Here this permission is channel rule type is owner. Click permission, this owner. I invite only limited access, viewer limit view, so lot of option, but I can't transfer channel ownership because this is a Gmail default channel. So brand channel is good, so I will make a brand channel. So close this option, click icon and switch account. There are no other channel. Okay, so now I created brand channel. Click logo, then scroll down and this is the setting. Click settings and YouTube/account. You see this option. Okay, your YouTube channel, then channel name, and see a text add or manage your YouTube channel. Just click all channel. When click this option, then you will see the all channel list. How many channel? All channel show this page. So I create a new channel. Just simple a plus icon and create a new channel button. Just click create a new channel. Here this option, set my channel name. You set your channel name. This handle is automatically set. And click this option, create channel. Here I successfully created brand channel. So let's check it again. Click your logo, then switch account, then select your brand account, then go YouTube Studio, then continue, same, go settings, permission. Here the same option, but you see a new account option. To go back, managing permissions in your brand account, means I can transfer this account ownership. This option, like create OPT out of permissions. Click and I understand, check mark these rules. Next, input your password. See, now my channel is real brand channel. Now I can add manager, manage permission. See, this plus button, invite new user, I can use a owner or manager. So I hope you already created your dream brand channel. So thank you. If you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel.